Now we will introduce the tuber assembly replacement. This is the list of tool preparation. Firstly, we need to use the torque 25 bit to remove one piece screw on the front side of the front tuber. Then we will use the torque 30 bit to remove two pieces screws on the back side of the front tuber. Pull out the stem. Disconnect the connection of control bus. Remove the cover plate in the brake box. Take the brake line plastic from the groove of the brake box. Brake wire pass through the open slot of front tuber. Remove the brake wire end from the connection block of the brake cable box and take off the stem. Firstly, we will use the torque 30 bit to remove one piece screw on the front tuber and take out the sheath. Then remove the 3 pieces screws on the back side of the front tuber with the torque 30 bit. Now we can take out the tuber upward. Install the front tuber and sheath on the front fork assembly. We need to confirm that the tuber hull is aligned with the hull of tuber connectors. Then fasten one piece screw on the front side of the front tuber. And fasten 3 pieces screws on the back side of the front tuber with the torque 30 bit. The range of torque is from 7 to 9. Now we can remove one piece screw on the front side of the front tuber. After installing the sheath, the last step is fastening the front side screw with the torque 30 bit. The range of torque is from 5 to 7. Firstly, we need to connect the control bus. Secondly, insert the brake wire from the open slot of front tuber. Then, insert the block at the end of the brake into the connecting block of the brake box. And the brake wire plastic is installed in the groove of the brake wire box. Then, install the cover plate of the brake box. At this moment, we need to collect the wire harness. Last step is we need to insert the stem into the front tuber. After finishing above steps. We need to fasten 2 screws with torque 30 feet. The range of torque is from 9 to 12. Also, we need to fasten 1 piece screw with torque 25 feet. The range of torque is 5 to 6. After finished the stem replacement, we can power on the scooter again and confirm that if there is any problem with this operation.